Are ants taking over your kitchen, home, or other areas outside your home? Learn how to kill ants using baking soda, a natural and non-toxic way to get rid of these unwanted pests. In this video, we'll show you a simple DIY method to eliminate ants from your home using baking soda and other household items. Also, watch until the end to see the surprising results from when I used baking soda on an infestation of ants in my mailbox. When ants invade the house or an area outside your house, searching for home remedies may lead you to baking soda. But does baking soda kill ants? Will it only kill them in your house, or will it kill them outside, too? The answer: baking soda is a reliable ant killer. As a household staple, you probably already have a box in your home, and even if you don't, you can usually find one at the store for under $1. So whether these insects invade your porch or take over the kitchen, you can quickly get rid of them with baking soda. Are you excited to get rid of ants in your house? We've got a guide on how to use baking soda to resolve ant infestations in your home, plus some guidance on keeping your house ant-free. First question: how effective is baking soda at killing ants? Baking soda does the job of getting rid of ants inside your house. However, they have to consume the baking soda for it to be effective. For this to happen, you need to trick the ants into going to the baking soda. Mix baking soda with another ingredient, like powdered sugar, to entice them. Second question: how long does baking soda take to kill ants? Note that they must eat baking soda to ensure they will die. Once they have eaten this ingredient, they will die in a few minutes. Question: how does baking soda kill ants? Allow us to take you back to your high school science lessons. Do you remember that when you mix baking soda and vinegar, an eruption of bubbles forms? Well, these bubbles are chemical reactions creating carbon dioxide. Thus, when ants ingest baking soda, it reacts with the acid inside their stomach. The baking soda dries out their body, causing them to die. The ants you see marching around the house are worker ants. Their job is to collect food and return to their nest to feed other ants. Unknowingly, these ants can collect baking soda and hopefully bring it to the queen ant, and she will eat it. If this happens, you will never have a problem anymore because both the baby and the mother ants will die. Next question: does baking soda kill ants outside? Yes, baking soda can kill ants outside. You can use the same methods inside the house to kill ants outdoors. If you notice holes near or outside your home, sprinkle the baking soda on their nest directly. This method will kill many ants outside and prevent them from getting inside the house. How to use baking soda to get rid of ants? Are you excited to get rid of ants in your home? No need to buy any insecticide. Just follow this baking soda method to kill ants. Things you'll need: baking soda, powdered sugar jars and lids, measuring spoon instructions. 1. Mix equal parts of baking soda and powdered sugar. It is ideal to use 3/4 of a tablespoon of each ingredient. 2. Put the mixture into a jar with a lid and shake it. The sugar will entice the ants to ingest the powdered sugar along with the baking soda, killing them. 3. Place the jar in strategic locations. Wait until the ants march toward the baking soda. You can put the mixture directly into the ant colony or areas where the ants are prevalent. Question: what are other ways to get rid of ants? Depending on your situation, the most effective way to solve the ant infestation problem in your house is to call a pest control professional. But if you want to handle it yourself cheaply, naturally, and without harmful chemicals, here are some ways below. First option: clean the house. The most basic method to eliminate or prevent ants from invading the house is to keep it clean. Clear off and clean all surfaces, especially your kitchen. Clean the counters and cabinet, sweep and mop the floor, and avoid leaving food crumbs anywhere. If you don't want to clean the house or you don't have time, hire a professional cleaner. Option 2. Peppermint or tea tree oil. These essential oils are natural insect repellents. They can repel insects like ants and even mosquitoes. This is an easy remedy, but it should not be used with pets at home, as peppermint can make them sick if ingested. Option 3. Boiling water. This remedy is only effective if you find the nest or holes where ants hide. Simply pour the boiling water into the hole to kill the ants. However, this remedy alone cannot kill the entire colony, but it does the job of killing ants. Option 4. Vinegar. Ants dislike vinegar. Hence, you can use this solution to eliminate these annoying little creatures. To do so, pour the vinegar into the ant nest. But for more effective killing power, you must mix vinegar with water and liquid soap. Vinegar can kill plants, so use the solution carefully if you use it near lawns. Benefits of baking soda to kill ants. There are some reasons why we recommend using baking soda to get rid of ants in the house. Here are the biggest reasons why. Reason number 1. It is readily available. Baking soda is a common household product, so most people usually have it somewhere in their homes, making it readily available. Reason number 2. It is affordable. Why use expensive commercial ant pesticides when you can usually buy baking soda and sugar for a couple of bucks? Reason number 3. It is safe. Baking soda is a safe method to use to kill ants in the house. It is safe around you, your children, and your pets. Using harsh chemicals, though, is a risk, especially since kids and pets may touch and ingest them. Should you use baking soda to kill ants? Now that you know how to get rid of ants, it's also important to know that having them around the house is not bad news. Small numbers of ants are generally normal, so it is not a problem. But when their numbers grow, it is time to use baking soda to your advantage. However, as mentioned earlier, calling pest control is best when the ant infestation is already severe and out of control. But if you can't afford it or are simply looking for a natural and safe remedy, you can't go wrong with baking soda. Conclusion. After reading this post, you now know how baking soda kills ants, how long it takes to kill them, and how to use it to kill them. Using baking soda to kill ants has benefits, such as being a readily available, safe, inexpensive, and effective way to kill ants. If you run out of baking soda, use one of the above non-toxic methods to kill ants instead. You no longer need to search online for the best products to kill ants. You can follow this guide, watch, and wait until these annoying little pests scurry forever or die. Now, the results from when we used the baking soda method to eliminate an ant infestation in my mailbox. It worked. Although I didn't see a pile of ant carcasses lying inside the mailbox, the ants did evacuate the premises of the mailbox for quite some time. For the rest of the year, no infestations, just a few of them from time to time. If you want to learn how to use baking soda to clean or eliminate other bugs and rodents in your house, watch the video above. And I want to leave you with this question. What non-toxic solutions have you used to eliminate ants in and around your home? And did they work? Let me know in the comments below.